This time I'm getting the car ready for a track day. Firstly, I'm going over the brakes and tyres to make sure they're in good condition. The front driver's side seemed a little bit sticky, and with the caliper off you can see the boot has degraded and gunk has got inside. It looks like the plate on the back of the pad has also slipped out of place. The quickest repair I could do was replace the entire caliper. Then to check all the fluids and top them up. Now to put the numbers on and get to the track. Welcome to Sydney Motorsport Park, where we'll be doing the Amaroo South Circuit. Welcome to Night Shift. This track incorporates the 830 metre extension from turn 6 to turn 14. The track is a short, sharp technical circuit with a fantastic mix of corners that will test any driver. It's now time to get your track briefing and get your car scrutineered. This time was our best turnout with 7 member cars coming to the event. As the evening approaches, the lights come on the track and we're getting ready for our 4th round. This is the 3rd lap and coming up to the main straight. That's Victor ahead of me in his 124. Braking now into turn 6. Between turns 9 and 10, Victor signals for me to overtake. Coming into turn 11. So just coming past turn 14 now. Victor was very lucky to walk away from this accident without any injuries.
Hey, coming! Stop there!
Now the early hours of the morning, we managed to get the car back to Victor's home and off the trailer. So let's end this video on a nicer note. Enjoy the ride in Dave's X19.